In the complex social structure of a honeybee colony, becoming a queen bee is a fascinating process dictated by both genetics and environmental factors. The journey starts with the queen laying eggs in specially constructed queen cells. These cells are larger than typical worker bee cells, providing enough space for the developing queens. Once the egg is laid, the deciding factor comes from the diet the larvae will be provided with. All bee larvae are initially fed royal jelly, a protein-rich secretion produced by worker bees, but only future queen larvae continue receiving an abundance of this nutrient. The rest of the larvae, destined to become workers or drones, are switched to a diet of pollen and honey after a few days. The continuous consumption of royal jelly in the critical first few days of development triggers a series of physiological changes in the chosen larvae. It leads to the development of the reproductive organs necessary for a queen and influences the size and longevity of the bee. The royal jelly contains a complex blend of proteins, vitamins, and hormones that signal the genetic destiny of the bee. Around 8 days after hatching, the larva spins a cocoon around itself and enters the pupal stage. It is during this time the most dramatic transformation occurs. After just over a week, an adult queen emerges. However, her journey to become the colony's reigning monarch is not yet complete. If more than one queen emerges at the same time, a battle ensues. The queens fight until only one remains. The victor quickly asserts dominance by beginning her mating flights. During these flights, the queen will mate with multiple male drones, collecting the sperm she needs to fertilize thousands of eggs over her lifetime. Once the mating flights are complete, she returns to the hive to begin her primary role, laying eggs. For as long as her egg-laying ability remains optimal, she will be the sole egg layer of the colony, supported and protected by the worker bees. The life of a queen bee is thus marked by privilege, rigorous selection, intense competition, and a central role in the life of the hive.